Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering raw XRD exports. This matters because consistent file types save time later. Open Origin and use File Import to pick single ASCII or Excel depending on format. When prompted, point Origin to the folder you prepared so batch options appear. This helps avoid manual repetition. Make sure header rows and delimiters are clear, otherwise Origin may misassign columns. Once the first file loads correctly, you'll be ready to run a repeatable import for the remaining scans. Next, you use the import wizard to map columns precisely so Origin treats 2θ as x and intensity as y. This ensures correct plotting and peak fitting later. Adjust header lines, skip rows with metadata, and choose the correct delimiter and decimal separator so numbers parse properly. If multiple files share the same format, enable batch import or import multiple files to apply the same mapping automatically. This saves time and preserves consistency, which is crucial for comparative analyses and automated peak fitting. Finally, verify imports by plotting a representative scan and inspecting baseline and peak positions so you confirm correct scaling. Once satisfied, save your workbook as an OPJ or export cleaned ASCII files and record the import settings for reproducibility. If something goes wrong, for example misaligned columns or weird characters, check delimiters, file encoding, and header line offsets. These are the usual culprits. If problems persist, re-export from the diffractometer software with a simpler format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.